What's up guys, this is Adrian from Top Collectors, and today we got another addition to our Tomica lineup, and this is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Regular version and first edition. Let's crack these open. Right off the bat, I can tell you this is probably the best SVJ casting I have ever seen. Down to this plastic headlights. I'm sure you zoom in on that, it's a perfectly detailed badging, SVJ badging. This is ridiculous detail, guys. These are all plastic parts, but still. Separate wing diffuser. Look at that. Painted head taillights. The Lamborghini badging right there down the middle. We got a rear diffuser. Exhaust tips. I do wish that sometimes Tomica, even for the regular mainlines, would have different wheel variants. It's always these ones or the same one with the silver trimming around it. But nonetheless, this is beautiful. They did a really good job. And as always, standard suspension. It's a lot less noticeable. It is a lower profile vehicle, but it still does have the suspension. We'll take it. What a completely different look, guys. This is all white deco. You got the little copper bronzish highlights all throughout the vehicle. Match the outline of this 63. A matte plastic top, again this copper accents. Nice diffuser, plastic tail headlights. Lamborghini badging all around. This is gorgeous. Painted taillights, Lamborghini in the back, muffler, diffuser, standard like on the first edition, but in the regular edition, but this is something else. I'm actually stunned. This is by far one of the most detailed Tomica mainlines that I've seen up to date. I've been collecting Tomica for about 2 years now, and I've gone back as starting to collect the cars that they made in 2014, 15, even the TLVs, and I can say for a mainline, the price you pay a mainline, this could easily be a premium version of Tomica for half the cost. But this is wow, really good job. Again, side by side. Yeah, you notice you got the matte black here. It's the same gloss paint all throughout. You got even the matte black back here. Even added little silver accents up here in the corner. Side. Rear view. And as always, there is suspension, but again, a very low profile vehicle, but still does the job. That wraps this unboxing. Thanks a lot, guys. If you do like this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll see you in the next one.